How do you know? Clickbait. Large balls.
Okay, everybody in. Getting the shot, everybody in. All right, everybody in.
Ow.
Sorry.
No, I don't want to be under a blanket. I don't like having a blanket on. Oh, it's quite nice, isn't it?
Okay, you don't need to do this on camera. Ackley.
Ackley.
Are you good? Like, why now?
Oh, that's sweet, honey.
Okay.
That's nice.
Such a handsome man.
Oh, yeah.
There's no room for both of us here, we will.
Oh my God,
Okay.
Ackley.
All right.
Really?
Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, you get
That's it,
comfortable.
buddy.
Get comfortable, okay? Like, he for sure stinks.
Oh God, she stinks.
Episode 17, how are you feeling?
Really tired.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're good. Ew, baby.
Did I spray?
No, it was just, I saw all your organs.
Oh,
It's so hard to talk right now. I'm so tired.
I know.
Okay. We did. Okay, yes. We have a few things to cover in today's app. Any bald spots? Any bald spots?
Not on that side, it's full.
Anything else you want to say? Anything else? Is there anything you want to say? Anything you want to say on that topic?
You covered it. Wait. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to talk about them. There was no ductwork in the house, so that when the... Don't worry about it, it doesn't matter.
After the... And then it came to the hardest decision. Oh wait, then we reached... Wait, how did I say it?
I don't remember.
And then... Oh, my stomach's rumbling again. In last week's episode, hold on.
I don't know.
We went with the cobblestone. We went with the
Do you want me to say it?
Yeah, say it. We changed out our garage window because I don't know. You're my best friend in the whole world.
I feel really like sweaty right now. You want to kiss?
No. Okay. No, baby. Ew, baby. But people have been really supportive and we just appreciate that.
Yeah, like we weren't sure if we were even going to share any of the exterior, but we're really glad we did because a lot of people seem to enjoy it and my feet feel wet.
We should probably mention that the walls stunk of pee. Welcome to episode 5, everybody. We are in a new location today because everybody's cutting their lawn today.
Yeah, we're not the only loud ones for once because you need everything to work out. There's certain size pieces that... Hold on.
We'll check. Okay. Welcome to episode 7.
I do this every time you look at me smiling. Episode 5, episode 6, and I go,
Okay, you say something then.
Welcome to episode 7. That's what the blocks are for. But so it's a border, but it's the same color border.
Can we retake that just
No,
in case?
no, you're good.
I guess that's another movie secret is that we actually have a lot of cuts.
Yeah, but we're gonna...
During these sit-down sessions, there's
Yeah.
a lot that gets cut out.
No cuts. No cuts on this one.
Okay, you can edit this one then.
No, I'm just kidding. I've been looking for a long time. And to pay someone to keep coming back and doing it would add up to... So,
Just ignore her.
yeah. Oh, poor baby.
You got an itchy. He's itchy. Hang on. Anything you want to say? How do you know things?
You just do it. You learn. I have experience, you know?
So we're using the 6-inch board and batten.
8-inch.
Oh yeah, sorry. We're using the 8-inch.
You look like a snack.
I do?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.
My neck is so sore.
Really?
Yeah, it's like really sore. Hold for airplane. Follow my lead. You know, we've learned a lot of skills during this renovation.
Oh yeah.
You've learned how to use the brake.
Yes, bend some metal.
I've learned how to, what have I learned?
You've learned a lot.
Give me an example.
How to set trusses.
Oh, yeah,
How
hold
to
on,
strip
okay,
a
yeah.
roof.
I've learned how to set trusses, how to strip a roof. We've learned a lot of skills during this renovation.
We sure have.
You've learned how to use the aluminum brake.
Mm-hmm.
I've learned how to install siding,
Yeah.
how to sheet a roof, how to lay some trusses. All skills that are going to be super valuable in my life, and I will be grateful I have them.
They will pursue, or yeah.
That's what we used, and it was really, really helpful, so. Ew, babe.
It was just so itchy. I was waiting for you to stop. I felt like something was crawling in my nose. I'm sitting here like this.
Maybe it's your nose hair that's hanging out of your nostril.
It could be.
Okay.
You don't have to do the whole thing again.
I'm gonna.
All right.
Oh my gosh. He's tired.
I don't think he's tired. I think he just doesn't want you to move.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. I can't stop staring at that nose hair.
This one?
No, other nostril. Okay, you can say the end of the video.
What is it again?
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Check back next week for another episode of Ditching the Split. Was I say it like how I just did, but better?
Yeah, do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I don't know.
Baby, we've done this 100 times.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Check back next week for another episode of Ditching the Split.
Bye.
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 Perfect. That's all. That's all we need. What?
You have something in your tooth.
Frig.
Like between the second and third.
Don't tell me we just filmed that whole thing. Oh man.
See if it's there. It's so small and you're turning the other way. I don't know.
Yeah, like I'm not facing the camera too much, but what the heck? That is so annoying.